How to fix RTC connecting problem on your Discord mobile. Hey guys, if you're stuck on RTC connecting on Discord, I have got a quick and easy solution. For Android user, first of all you have to check your internet connection. Make sure it is stable. A weak or unstable connection is often the culprit. You can also try to simply restart to solve the issue. Likewise, ensure you have the latest version of Discord application installed. If not, you have to update it by visiting the Google Play Store. The next option is to clear the Discord cache. For this, long press your Discord application and then go to App Info. Under that, you will see different options. Tap on Storage and Cache. Under Storage and Cache, tap on Clear Cache. After that, another step would be to disable High Packets Priority. For this, open your Discord and log in into your account. The next step is to visit your user settings. It is available on your profile, which is on the bottom right. Then tap on settings or the gear icon on the top right. From here, select on voice and video. And there you have to scroll down and make sure enable quality of service high packet priority is turned off. And this should fix the issue for Android. However, if you're using or facing this issue on your PC, additional to this mentioned step, you also have to change audio subsystem to legacy. For this, click on audio subsystem, select legacy from the drop-down menu, click on OK to confirm the changes. And this is all for today's video. If you have any questions, make sure to mention it on the comment below. That is all. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.